An lá salúnta comóra agus calóra seo. Is mór an ordon corgárigus a dhéanamh leis an uachtarán Catherine Connolly. Haar ceann rialtas agus bhainteán na hÉirdean, as dul mna hifiige mar uachtarán na hÉirdean. Is lá suntasach agus lúchaireach é an lá inmh, freisin de airchéile an uachtarán Connolly brín, dá báistí brín agus Stefán, dá glán sínta a ghailta agus dá garda. Buinnig tanmh as an lá seo, tá sé tiltte a gcuibh. Nóair a thugamíd a seirfís faoi bhlíd san am atá thart san áireamh, ní le áras orm, go nnénig an tuachtarán Connolly fónamh ma ar dír. Mar híseach tá méid tanú le bheith ag obair leis an uachtarán Connolly san am atá amach roing. Mar a leanan éire ar aig lena ról suntasach ar an ardán damhanda, agus singe ag tanú le huachtaránacht an Aontais Eorpaig a óstáil sa darala den bhliain seo chuing. Ní mórdam an deis seo a hapú chun aitheantas a thabhairt de uachtarán Micheál D Higgins as gníomhara úntacha agus tionachar darafach a uachtaránachta. Ról a thug gradam dar dír le ling a réimse I réim. Bhfualam mo bhórmhuiachas a gháil le Sabine freisin, as an méid a rinneisi I seirbhís ardíre le ceithre bliain déag anuas. Tá míad fí chumín mhór ag an merta guibh. On this solemn and joyful day of celebration, it is a great honour for me to congratulate President Catherine Connolly on behalf of the government and the people of Ireland on entering upon her office as President of Ireland. Today is also a momentous and happy day for President Connolly's husband Brian, their children Brian and Stephen, their extended family and all their friends. Enjoy this day, you deserve it. In the context of a record of outstanding public service, I have no doubt that President Connolly will serve our country well. As Taoiseach, I look forward to working with President Connolly in the time ahead, as Ireland continues to play a significant role on the global stage, and as we look forward to hosting the European Union presidency in the second half of 2026. Today, you begin your term as only the 10th president in our history. Yet you also represent the longest unbroken chain of democratically elected heads of state in any European country. Over the last 9 decades, our country has overcome many extraordinary challenges. Where other countries fell into the hands of extremism, the Irish people remained resilient in their commitment to our democracy. A vital part of this has been the unique and unifying role of the office of Uachtarán na hÉirdean. It is an office which has been held by people of many different backgrounds and beliefs, but each has shared a commitment to promoting respect for all. Uachtarán, your commitment to bring calm at times of division and anger reflects that generous and inclusive spirit. I take this opportunity also, again, to recognise the outstanding contribution of Michael D Higgins, who as President has brought distinction on our country. I also want to sincerely thank Sabine for all that she has done in the service of our country over the past 14 years. We owe you both a tremendous debt of gratitude. Agus inis, cuireadh fáilte roimh an Uachtarán Connolly a theasc in sealbhathe a thabhairt.